Hey friend, welcome back to Doing It with Tyronzia. You know, when I learn something new, I want to jump in and tell you all about it. So let's get started. A couple of weeks ago, I posted a few shorts with my AI twin. And if you notice, she looked a little different on all three videos. But let me show you how I've been able to create my AI twin right here. First, I want to go to home and I want to scroll down right here to constant character. Okay, now it says build your character. Okay, so I'm gonna say start with images. It's telling me I need a clear facial view, a full body shot, and high resolution. So I'm gonna say start training. When it says start training, it means train your AI twin, right? So we gotta put our name in it. This is gonna be Tyronzia J3 because I already have 1 and 2. I'm gonna do a clear face of me. Then I'm gonna do a half body shot of me. Then I'm going to do a full body of me. Okay. Now I'm going to do start training. And it tells you 41 minutes, but you see it quickly goes to 21 minutes. It's going to take roughly about 15 to 20 minutes to generate this AI twin of me. But guess what? Y'all know I ain't going to make y'all wait 20 minutes, right? So I'm going to pause this recording. Okay, friend, it says it is ready. So let's see what he came up with. And you generate for 4 credits. Okay, it is generated. But listen, look at this one. She look a little bit like me. She looks nothing like me. So say for instance, it generated these 2 characters, but I don't think they look like me at all, right? Got the same style, hair, yeah. But definitely don't look like me. This one actually look more like me than this one. So the only thing you have to do is click on, if you is this one that's totally don't look like me, I could click the number 1 because it's the first one. This one is number 2. So if it's variation, if I like these, I could do AI video and start creating my video. But I don't want to do that. I want to do another one of these because I really don't like it. And it's starting with the task. Okay, he's at 99%, so let's see what it pop up with. She like a little pig. I still don't like it. Let me see if I take all this off. Let's see. Let's see. And I told y'all, I'm learning too, so I want you guys, hold on, let me let it finish first. I'm not having patience, and y'all know that I don't have it anyway, so it ain't nothing new. Okay, so I really don't like it, so I'm gonna do generate, and let's do another one, because I don't think either one of those look like me. Similar, kind of favorite, but maybe a distant cousin on my daddy's side, not on my mama's side. But I didn't like either one of those, so we just gonna regenerate it. And it takes 4 credits every time you generate. So I would say just kind of be mindful when you are regenerating that you are using your credits. And you see right here how many credits I have. And I have 2,822 image credits, and I have 1,632 video credits. So I gotta really be mindful because I'm running out of credits, and these credits gotta last me through the 31st of July. Okay, so look at these. Now this one, she's similar to me for sure. She's like my daughter, really. This one, she looks similar to me. So we're just gonna use her. Okay, and I could, if I wanted to use her, I can simply download her, and guess what? I have another one of my AI twins. Okay, just like that. In reality, it was about 30 minutes, but on this video, it's like less than 10, simply because I paused it during the generation periods because I didn't want to bore you with me just talking and rambling and you really not see what I'm doing. So just to show you, I'm not going to download this because I don't need it, but you want to go to home. No, discard that. I don't want that. You want to go to home. Then you want to go to constant character. Okay, first of all, let me get myself together. Discard that. We want to go to home. Consistent character. I probably say constant character the same every time because that's my friend's name. You want to go build your character. You want to start with images. You want to name your character, and then you want to select images that has a clear facial view, full body shots, and high resolution. Then you want to go ahead and upload those images, and then you want to start training. Okay, now you got it. Go create your own image and let me know what you come up with. I would love to see it. Email it to me.